public funding that's helped keep preschools and daycares open is about to run out. Our Capitol reporter Michael Hyland is live in Raleigh. And Michael, there's a big concern we could see more of these schools closing.
Right. There's a bipartisan push to try to prevent that from happening. But the funding that group wants is not in the state budget that's being voted on this week. With so many families needing a safe place for their young kids to learn,
I'm petrified.
Alicia Fink says even more parents could struggle to find childcare. With the pandemic, the state is down more than 3,000 childcare workers.
Trying to get these people to come in and be a part of the early childhood industry is harder than it ever has been. I've been a part of this industry for over 20 years, and I've never seen anything like it.
She's one of the owners of Oak Village Academy in Cary, which used federal funding during the pandemic to pay their workers better wages, helping keep them on the job. That funding will end soon. A bipartisan group of state lawmakers recently proposed spending $300 million in state money to extend that program. They say if more child care centers close, it'll be even harder for parents to work and for businesses to hire and operate.
The federal government has propped up child care over the last 2 years, and we've got a cliff that we are facing coming up.
The state house will vote on its version of the budget this week, which does not include that additional funding. Republicans say they're still talking about the issue, and it could be part of the finalized budget later this year. Susan Perry at the Department of Health and Human Services says she thinks it's critical.
Childcare is often very expensive for families to afford, but at the same time, it's a business that really operates at very thin margins, and so it really needs the extra support.
Governor Roy Cooper has also called on Congress to step in and provide more funding to continue this program that started during the pandemic. North Carolina's received more than $800 million, and the governor says that's helped to boost pay for about 41,000 teachers and other workers. Live in Raleigh, Michael Hyland, CBS 17 News.
All right, Michael, thank you.